Good morning student, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. In last video we were discussing about circle where we have seen the important terms of circle and we understood how to construct a circle. Today we are going to solve exercise question. So here we have exercise 22.1 question number 3. Construct the circle whose diameter is 12.8 centimeter. And you know very well, for construction of a circle we need radius but we have diameter. Okay, we have diameter, so you know very well diameter equal to r plus r, that means radius plus radius, or we can write 2 into radius. Okay, so diameter equal to radius plus radius or 2 into radius. So from here we can find the formula to find radius. So radius equal to this diameter will write as it is and will divide by 2. The coefficient of r here we have 2, so we'll divide by 2. Okay, so this is the formula to find radius when we have diameter. Okay, so same formula will apply here. So diameter we can write 2 into radius equal to 12.8. this is diameter given. Okay, now r write as it is because radius we have to find out. So r equal to 12.8 divided by the coefficient of r here we have 2. Okay, when we divide, first reduce 2 6 12 decimal point and 2 4 8. So from here we got 6.4. this is the radius now. Okay, now using this radius we have to draw circle. Now let me show you now how to draw. So we have the radius 6.4. Okay, so what you have to do, first give fixed point, then take scale, okay, then take compass, then fix this metal arm here and stretch this pencil arm according to the radius, and radius we have 6.4. okay, now I'm going to stretch 6.4 here. Okay, 6.1, 6.2, 6.3 and 6.4. okay, now we have to draw the circle. Now hold this one and move around. Now you can see, okay, this is the circle of radius 6.4. so we have the radius 6.4. So this is how we can find the radius and draw the circle. Understood? Clear to you? Then this is question number 4. Find the circumference of circle whose diameters are. This is question number 1, 8.4. So we have to find out here circumference. Okay, and you know the formula. Formula is 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Here you can see the formula. Okay, and we have the diameter, and if you see the formula, so we need pi and r. Okay, you know the value of pi. So value of pi equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14. okay, so either you have to use this one, 22 by 7 or 3.14. okay, now so according to the formula we need radius also. Okay, 2 and pi value I have mentioned here. Now we need radius also. Okay, so first we have to find out radius. Okay, and for that we have given only diameter. So diameter equal to 8.4 we have, and you know the formula to find radius. Radius equal to diameter divided by 2. Okay, so diameter we have 8.4 and this we have to divide by 2. When we divide, let me reduce, 2 4 8 and 2 2 4.2. So here we have the radius 4.2. Now easily we can put the value in formula. So we have the formula circumference equal to 2 pi r. Okay, so 2 into, here I am taking the value 22 by 7. Okay, 2 into 22 by 7 into 4.2 centimeter. Okay, now 2 into 22 by 7 into, now this decimal point we can remove, and for this we can give here we can give 1 for this decimal point, and the right side of this decimal point we have only one number, so we will give 10 here. Okay, now reduce the term. 7 1 is 7 and 7 6 is 46. Okay, now when we multiply 2, 22 and 6, will get 264. 264 and denominator only 10. 10 into 1, 10. Okay, when we divide this one, we'll get 26.4 centimeter answer. Okay, this is how we can solve this problem. Okay, when we have diameter, first we have to find out radius, then we have to use the formula to find circumference. Okay, so here we have formula 2 pi r. Understood? Then this is question number 5. Find the diameter of a circle. Here we have to find out the diameter of a circle whose circumference is 30.8 centimeter. Now here we have circumference. Okay, we have circumference, and from this we have to find out diameter. Okay, so here we can write like this: circumference equal to 30.8, and we know the formula 2 pi r. So just below this circumference we have to write the formula 2 pi r equal to 30.8. Okay, now use the values. So 2 into the value of pi, 22 by 7, into r. We have to find out the radius. We have to find out the radius first. Okay, because radius also not given. Finally we have to find out diameter, but before that we have to find out radius. Okay, so radius as it is right here. So when we multiply 2 and 22, we will get here 44, and in denominator we will get 7 only. Okay, into r equal to 30.8. Okay, now this is the coefficient of r, so we have to find out r. So write r as it is here, then give this equal to, then write this one 30.8, and then divide by the coefficient of r. Here we have 44 by 7. So here you can see this one come here. Understood? Now this 7 will go up, as you can see here, 308 into 7, and this 7 will go up, and this decimal point we have to remove from the 30.8. Okay, so when we remove, then we'll get for this decimal point 1. Here you can see, and right side of this decimal point we have one number, so we'll give 10. Okay, and this 7 will go up. So this we can write like this: 308 into 7 by 44 into 10. Okay, 44 into 10. Now this will go 44 1 is 44. This will go 7 times. Okay, when you multiply 44 into 7, then you will get 308. Understood? Now 7 into 7, 49, divided by 10 into 1, 10. Now when we divide, we will get the radius here 4.9. This is the radius. Okay, now we got the radius. Now you know very well, diameter equal to 2 into radius, diameter equal to 2 into radius. So we can use the formula, this formula, diameter equal to 2 into radius. Now use the value. Radius just now we got here 4.9, so 2 into 4.9. When we multiply, we will get 9.8 centimeter. This is the diameter. So this is how we can find out diameter when we have circumference. Okay, clear to you? Now question number 6. Draw a circle of radius 4.3 centimeter. In this, construct a chord of 4.5 centimeter. So in this question, first we have to draw one circle whose radius is 4.3 centimeter. Then we have to construct chord whose length is 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so now let me show you how to construct. First we have to take one fixed point. Okay, then scale, then we have to take compass, then fix this metal arm on that particular point, then measure the radius. So radius we have 4.3 centimeter. Okay, and chord length we have 4.5 centimeter. So now we have to draw circle. So we will measure 4.3. So as you can see on the screen, this is 4.3. Okay, now move this compass around to draw the circle. Now you can see the circle whose radius is 4.3 centimeter. Okay, now you can see this is the circle. Now we have to draw one chord whose length is 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so for that we need a scale, then compass. Bring this compass here and measure 4.5 centimeter. Okay, now you can see on the screen this is 4.5 centimeter. Okay, now fix one point on the line, the circle line. Now I am giving the point here. Okay, now bring this compass and fix metal arm on that particular point. Okay, now move this compass like this, then you will get another point. So first point we have here and another point we have here. Okay, now bring this scale here, and draw the line. Okay, so clearly you can see the length of chord 1 2 3 4 5 4.5. so this is how we can create chord. Okay, understood? Clear to you? Then we have question number 7. Draw two concentric circle of radius 3.5, radius only 3.5 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Then set the ring formed by them. Okay, so this should be like this. Now let me show you how to draw concentric circle. For that, first we need to take one fixed point. So I am giving here. Then take a scale. So we have the radius, this first radius 3.5, then another radius we have R2 5 centimeter. Okay, so first we will draw the bigger one, that means we will use 5 centimeter. So take compass, then fix this metal arm on that particular point, then stretch the pencil arm according to the radius, and the radius we have 5 centimeter. Now draw the circle. Okay, understood? Now we have to draw one more circle using same center point. Okay, and the length of the radius is 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so now stretch or measure 3.5 centimeter. Now you can see this is 3.5 centimeter. Now draw the circle. So this is only concentric circle. Okay, this is only concentric circle. The radius of this circle is 3.5 and radius of this circle is 5 centimeter. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to shade this part. You have to shade this part. Okay, like this, as you can see here, like this you can see it. Understood? So this is how we can draw two concentric circle of radius 3.5 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Understood? So I hope today whatever I have discussed with you, each and everything is clear to you. Thank you.